Yeah, now for something also important, we need a demo for logging into the Azure CLI, which also means that we need to install the CLI, and it's a way of logging in through the terminal. And if we don't do that, we won't be able to use the code. So one thing I want you to notice before we do anything, go to your Azure, go to Enter ID. Yeah, we can do it like this, all services. Oh no, that's a little bit complicated. Just look in here and then look at Microsoft Enter ID. And then look at the overview and then copy this tenant ID. Yes. Now this tenant ID, I'm just going to put in a notepad here because we're going to use that later for logging in. And you're going to get all kinds of horrible things if you don't do it, so please bear with me. Then I'm going to install the CLI through PowerShell. I've got 5, but you can use anything you want. And to make it easier, I'm just going to copy this line. This is the easiest way. Yeah. So again, this is for, oh, that's my tenant ID, and I already logged it on. I'm going to do it differently. Just want to get this copied. Yeah. So winget install Microsoft Azure CLI. So that's going to download an MSI package and it's going to install. After that, we're going to test if it works, if we can actually log in. But and then when we use the code, we need to make sure that we're logged in through AZ login. So this takes a while. I'm going to let it run and see you when I get back. Just updating here. Now you see that's installing the package. And once it's done that, we're going to try it. Yes. And maybe I'll just hang in here with you. So it should be almost there depending how fast this machine is. And it is a pretty fast machine. This is an emulated instance on a Mac. So it's installed. Now you might be thinking this should be it because AZ login is the way, and then you think, oh, it's not installed. Oh, but that's because you should reboot the terminal. It's better to use it from VS Code because you're going to do it from there. So if it was already started, please disable it. And what I'm going to do now here is just do AZ login, but not AZ login only. Remember that tenant ID that you have. You need to make sure that you copy that. And then let me just, yeah, it's very simple. Tenant. So this is different for you than for me. And then it will pop up with something, yeah, this. And then you just have to, you see that this is my account. I can use this account, or you just have to sign in with this one. And it will take you through a whole bunch of things here. And yeah, if then that's done and it works, it's fine. It should basically say it's logging in then, but I think it's stuck somewhere here. Let me see if it's stuck, but I did use that account. It's a little bit tedious at times, so that's why see, it doesn't trust me. So I'm going to have to go through this again. So what I'm trying to tell you is go through this again. And oh yeah, and I've got this mark. I think I have to do some security thing. Don't worry about it if you get this. Just sign in another way. I'm going to blur it now, but I think you know how to sign in, right? So I'm going to blur this, do my thing, and then later come back to this. Well, I was able to do it. Now look at this. Select the subscription tenant, type a null for enter for no change. Just type enter and we're fine. Okay. So now you are okay, and we can move on to the next of the thing. You can actually now do all kinds of things here, but this is really fine.